All right, so we're in a home in Phoenix and we're replacing the sewer lines here. The first thing we have to do is set up a containment. As you can see, we put some plastic on, there's a room here, so we put all the stuff in that room and close it up. We got plastic on all the floors. We got plastic on the walls. This is gonna be where we're gonna stage, put all the dirt that's gonna come out. And then follow me. We got a zippered wall here. And this is, go ahead and come in here. Right there. This is gonna keep the dust from going in there. We do have to walk there a little bit later on. Here we got some more plastic on the floor. In this bathroom, we are gonna wet saw the concrete there. That concrete is gonna be removed so we can dig it all out, all the old plumbing sewer lines here. We got plastic as well on the floor, some on the wall. We're gonna cut this concrete here. We're gonna put new sewer line all the way outside. And then we're gonna come to this bathroom here. Same thing, cut concrete here. Everything, if it's sewer line ventilation, it's gonna be brand new when we're done. And what was going on, this house gets used a lot and they were having issues with their sewer lines backing up. They called me out. I didn't find any accessible cleanouts, so I had to remove the toilet, run my machine through there, and I wasn't able to get it flowing. So what we did, we're like, all right, let's go ahead and put some cleanouts so we can, you know, get our jetter in there, and if it happens again, then we can clean it up. When we did that, when we started this work here and we got the line cleared, we found that the cast iron line was completely cracked from here, so it runs very weird. So sewer line comes from here like this, then it 90s, then it 90s all the way over there. So it just kind of goes around to where it connects to the city pipe. And it's a very old plastic line that's very brittle. It's coming apart. So we're gonna have to do something a little bit different. We are going to run what we're gonna do is once we have all this opened, we're gonna run a new 4-inch ABS line from here to the outside. That way we're gonna eliminate a lot of turns going around the house. And then we've located what the main sewer line's at, and that's right here, right at 6 feet. So I'm gonna get my excavator, we're gonna excavate all this out, and then we're gonna do pipe bursting. We're gonna run a brand new line from where that window is over there, right there, right that window. From there, we're gonna make another hole right there, and we're not gonna dig all this out. We're only gonna make two pits, two holes, one right there and one in this area. By the time we're done, we should have brand new sewer lines inside of the home, outside, and they'll be able to use this, all the bathrooms, everything, and never have an issue again for a very, very long time. So stay tuned. We're gonna be doing more videos, but this is day one, and our goal is to have everything wrapped up by Friday. So 5 days, everything should be done.